Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get skins in Overwatch. So now first and foremost, you can obviously get skins from the battle pass. Right over here we've got a nice diva skin. Honestly, one of the nicest diva skins I've seen. Then you get this bastion, I forgot his name. I forgot his name. Anyways, you get this skin for free in the battle pass. And is there any more free skins in the battle pass? Oh yeah, you also get this skin for Cassidy for free. So there are a few free skins obviously, but if you want to get some of the more premium skins, you will have to spend money. And how do you buy that? Over here in this menu right here, you're gonna see shop. Head over to shop. Over here, as you can see, you got a Kiriko bundle. It's gonna give you some nice stuff for Kiriko. And then we've got more skins over here. Executioner, Defender of the Castle. Now, honestly, these skins are amazing, in my opinion, at the very least. Look at this skin. Like, it's actually amazing. And yeah, you can buy skins from here. There's also seasonal skins that you can get. And obviously, the Overwatch League skins. So if you're a big fan of the Overwatch League and you want to support your team, make sure you head over here and you purchase something, and that's gonna support the team that you're supporting or cheering for. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.